Guys, let's start cutting our onions to blend it, because I want to steam my goat meat. Then after blending my onions to steam my goat meat, I'm going to blend another onions and the pepper soup spices, Banga spices, with crayfish and blah blah blah. Let's go to the process. This is our goat meat. I've already washed it. Everything is clean. Cut onions. I'm gonna be using 2 seasoning for steaming my meat. Banga soup has to go down. Then my blended onions go with it, because I want to use it for other stuff too. Then some salt. Okay, now let's take it to our gas cooker. Let's turn on everything to steam our meat very well, so that all the flavor will come out, Hey! Hi! To bring out that squeeze it. Amazing. All the medals inside. Now that we have extracted our palm fruit, so now it is now for we to start cooking it, because we are making Banga delicious soup. Then I have to cover it for it to start boiling. Ha! Take care of our bonga. This is bonga fish that I'm gonna be using for the Banga soup, so I have to peel it and remove some bones on it. Hi guys, let's see how our Banga is doing. Wow, this is nice. It's getting thicker. So we are going to put this our Banga spices. It came from Nigeria, very fresh, from my makeup artist when she visited Nigeria this December. Okay, here is my onions and pepper soup spices, etc. etc. I put them inside. Some of my dry pepper. Then let me put some Banga spices. This is another Banga spices. Came from Nigeria. My mom made it for me especially. I'm going to put my dry bonga. Now I'm going to put my dry fish from Africa. My mother brought it for me. I have my frozen snail that my mom brought for me. Oh my god, oh my god, this is the new, yummy. I have to put these pepper soup spices In Benin language, we call it unye. I've seen some of our fans asking me. Then this is the banga leaf, the last point. Okay, let's put more leaf. This food, banga.